Hi guys, welcome back to asedoskitchen. Today I'm cooking beef and kale. The ingredients for this recipe are beef, onion, tomato, kale, cooking oil, garlic paste, tomato paste, cumin powder, vegeta, salt and black pepper. For a vegan version of this dish, check out the video linked above. I start by sauteing the onions for a minute or two, then I add the tomatoes. I continue sauteing this for another 2 minutes and add the garlic paste. Stir this for a minute or until the garlic is fragrant and add the meat. If you're using fresh garlic, 30 seconds is enough to bring out the aroma without burning it. I now add my coriander powder, vegeta, black pepper and 3 cups of water. I add the tomato paste, stir it in and cook this covered for half an hour. At this point, I adjust salt to taste and add the cumin powder. I add the kale and cover for a minute to allow the steam to soften the kale. This makes it easier to mix. At this point, I stir to combine everything, then I add 1/4 cup of water and allow this to cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low heat. The kale is now cooked and well seasoned, so it's ready to serve. To maintain this bright green color and avoid overcooking the vegetables, serve this immediately. If you're not eating it immediately, transfer it into a separate container. I went to tend to my baby and left this in the pot for longer than I planned. This left me with a darker colored kale, however, this does not compromise the taste. I served this with asida and a simple onion and tomato salad, and it was delicious. For more of my simple recipes, subscribe and tap the notification bell to ensure you're alerted whenever I post a new video. If you find this helpful, please like, share and comment on this video. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.